know that you are my disciples if you have love for one another. Now, it is noteworthy that Jesus repeatedly speaks of this love for one another at the end of the episode or the pericope. No? Okay. Unsa may akong angay masabtan? Number one, this certainly does not mean that in their acts of love, the disciples are to restrict themselves to their own circle, but for the world. Muna niya itong diskutan kanina. Dili exclusive, kundi inclusive. So that the world will know. This is how the world will know that you are my disciples. Second, everything will depend on whether, as disciples, they love one another. Magsugod yun na sa interaction among them. Kay kanang paghigugmaay sa usap-usap, mo naman ay witness aron makita sa uban. Kung naman siguro taanang tag-aw, hadit na hadit. So there's nothing, there's no sarcastic tone to that. But the inclusivity sometimes is a greater challenge to us. Kaya ang tendency nato is exclusivity. Number 3, in this mutual love lies the criterion of the identity, okay, by which they will be known to the world, not in order to win the world's admiration by their irreproachable conduct as a separatist group, okay, but so that by their mutual acts of service and self-denial. Remember, he who follows after me denies himself, takes up his cross, and follow me. One criteria. They may evoke the image of Jesus in his self-sacrificial love for sinful humanity. Dili sayon lisod. But it's an open challenge. Finally, again and again, everything is referred to his love as the great underlying secret from which the church not only derives its unity, but also as that which alone can redeem the world from its lostness for God and for one another. 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him may not perish, but may have eternal life. That's the greatest challenge of all. And we always hope and strive the hardest possible to put it into action. In terms of the Johannine Gospel, to incarnate the Word, to reincarnate the words into action. And the Word became flesh and made his dwelling among us. Sa atong madawat ka mga pulong o mensahe, ato ang iba, tidlong sa kasing-kasing, aron ato ang ibuon diha sa buhay. Incarnation. That is the first phase of the Paschal Crusade. Okay? And from that goes the second and finally leads us to the destiny that is for all of us. Nagiunhan na diya sa mga santos, sa mahal na Birhen Maria. That's why whenever we celebrate the Eucharist, there is always this dimension. The living, the saints, the glorified ones, under there. Una siya. That's why the Eucharist is a communion, not only during the reception of the Holy Eucharist, the body and blood of the Lord. It's a communion from beginning to end. And whenever it ends, what does the Mass tell us? Go we preach, not only that, I always use the Latin, ite missa est, with a double S, missa. Meaning to say, ite, this is, missa, mission. S is. It or this is your mission. Meaning to say, we continue moving and doing despite the many different, many things that come around, even in the center and the corners, that will somehow hinder us, but we have to go through it because that's what the cross is all about. Okay? Now, for our application and challenge, naghan kayo ko din